Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. Welcome to this brand new side-by-side duplex. We have 3586 and 3588. Come on and have a look. Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. Welcome to this side-by-side gorgeous brand new duplex. We have high ceiling, 9 feet ceiling, brand new with the built-in electric fireplace, open concept, living room, dining room, and high gloss modern kitchen. Over here, we have a 3-piece bathroom with a walk-in shower and beautiful powder room, and I love the sink here. Take a look. So what do you think about this beautiful high gloss light gray kitchen? And the stainless steel appliances is Bosch, very nice high-end brand. And we have a 5-burner gas cooktop. And here's the dishwasher and a double sink. And look at the backsplash, matches with this waterfall island. Imagine entertaining your family and friends in this beautiful duplex. Contact me at melissawu.com for your private showing. So we also have a very large laundry room, side-by-side washer and dryer, and there's central vacuum, and we have air conditioning, HRV and radiant floor heat, so you can be very comfortable in this home. Also, there is a soundproof door that goes through to the legal 1-bedroom suite. From the kitchen, there is a soundproof door, and you walk into this beautiful open 1-bedroom legal suite. Also has stainless steel appliances, microwave hood, full-size stove with the fridge and sink. And if you're working from home, this could also be a private office with a large window, south-facing, very bright. And we have also a spacious bedroom here and a full bathroom. It's ideal for home office with its own separate entrance. So over here underneath the stairs, we have the high efficiency German Weissmann boiler. Nice and very neat. Let's go upstairs and have a look. On the top floor, we have a very nice hallway corridor, and into this very spacious master bedroom ensuite. Over here, you can have a desk or sitting area to enjoy your morning coffee or tea. And we have a walk-in closet, very large, and the master ensuite. And this is big enough for a king-size bed. Very nice selling feature of this home is mountain, water, and city view. Take a look. Also, this beautiful master bedroom has a large bay window. Imagine waking up every morning to the mountain, water, and city view. also has another are 2 more spacious bedrooms at the end with a full bath. Over here, we also have a nice kind of utility space for the HRV and the air conditioning. The bedrooms are very spacious and they feature wallpaper. I love this wallpaper. And of course, it's got a very large, bright, sunny south window. This is the middle bedroom. The middle bedroom is actually also quite large, and I love this wallpaper. So we're in the sunny southern backyard. Side by side, you have your privacy fence, a detached 1-car garage, open parking, really nice grass, a gas outlet, and the air conditioning, plus the motion sensor light. It's a beautiful side-by-side duplex. Call me soon for your private showing. If you want to book your private showing, contact me at melissawood.com or call my cell phone 604-783-8272. Thank you.